Meaning of G. K. Chesterton.
G K Chesterton.
G. K. Chesterton.
G K Chesterton.
G K Chesterton. G K Chesterton is a reference to Gilbert Keith Chesterton, a prolific English writer and philosopher who lived from 1874 to 1936. He wrote on a variety of topics, including theology, politics, and detective fiction. Chesterton is known for his wit, his defense of traditional values, and his unique writing style. He was particularly influential in the early 20th century, and continues to be read and studied today. Overall, G. K. Chesterton represents an important figure in English literature and cultural history.